Longfellow's unapologetic anti-war sentiments were captured in Christmas Bells, which was then adapted into a song a decade later by organist John Baptiste Calvin, who titled it "I Heard the Bells on Christmas Day." Instead of a celebratory hymn, this song is more of a plea for sanity and grace in a world gone mad.
I heard the bells on Christmas Day, carol through the kids play. But why don't sweet the words repeat of peace on earth, goodwill to men? I've had a heart if they had come, the fees of love, Christendom had run so long, the unbroken song of peace.